Hello, my name is Fran Roche. I'm the Vice President of Identity and Authentication Services here at Symantec. It's been close to 2 years since the VeriSign business was acquired and became part of Symantec. We've done a lot of great integration over the past 2 years, and our business has performed extremely well as part of Symantec. One of the last elements of our integration is the switch from the VeriSign Secured Seal to the Norton Secured Seal. Although the VeriSign Secured Seal is switching to Norton Secured, Symantec is still committed to providing the same great service, the same great products, with the same great security. The VeriSign Secured Seal is seen now over 500 million times a day in 170 countries. We looked at what is the best consumer brand within Symantec, and that is clearly Norton. Norton is very highly trusted out there in the consumer space. Over 150 million consumers leverage and use those security products. So it was a natural choice for us in moving from VeriSign Secured to Norton Secured. Before making this decision, we've done a lot of research in confirming that this new seal design communicates that trust to consumers. In one survey we conducted, over 77% of consumers recognize this trust mark, which is pretty powerful considering it's a new seal design. It just goes to show by leveraging the check mark, the seal shape, the names, we still have the #1 most powerful trust mark on the internet. In another survey, over 94% of consumers indicated that they would be more likely to enter the credit card and do transactions if they saw this seal than sites who weren't showing this seal. So it's a very powerful trust mark. We think this is a combination of the best of both and will continue to drive high trust with consumers.